Is this 32-inch rolling smart TV the ultimate life hack? ApoloSign Gen 2 review. Built-in battery. Let's be real. How many times have you felt trapped by your old TV setup? Tangled cables, zero flexibility, and a screen that refuses to meet you where you are. Sound familiar? Whether you're working from your couch or binge-watching in bed, conventional screens just don't get it. You're forced to adapt to the TV, not the other way around. Ever find yourself awkwardly craning your neck, or worse, giving up entirely? Yeah, we've all been there. That frustration builds. You want something simple. Something that moves when you move, flips when you flip, and just works. Isn't that what smart should mean? Now imagine those annoyances creeping into every day. Stuck in your workspace when you'd rather stream in the kitchen. Dragging your laptop between rooms like it's 2009. Missing video calls because your gear is locked in one place. Worse yet, you start doubting your setup altogether, overwhelmed by wires and frozen screens. Your creative flow gets wrecked. Your downtime? Ruined. Those smart devices you paid for suddenly feel pretty dumb, right? Productivity dies. Entertainment stalls. Stress wins. And you're left thinking, why can't my TV just follow me around like everything else in my life? That's exactly why the ApoloSign 32-inch FHD Gen2 Portable TV is the straight-up game-changer your daily life's been missing. We're talking fully rotatable touchscreen, built-in battery, and rolling wheels that let you stream, swipe, and binge from anywhere. Living room? Check. Kitchen? Done. Bedroom? No problem. With Android 14, 128GB storage, and Google Play access, it's basically your oversized smartphone disguised as a TV. Plus, the integrated 8MP camera, voice remote, and Bluetooth speaker mode make it ridiculously versatile. Say goodbye to wires, dead zones, and stationary boredom. This is next-level freedom. The perks hit hard. Picture razor-sharp 1080p visuals, silky smooth touch controls, and up to 6 hours of cordless action, all powered by a 9300 mAh battery. Adjust the screen's height and tilt, spin it 360 degrees, and roll it wherever life takes you. Whether you're casting your phone screen, running video calls, or DJing your next kitchen party, the ApoloSign Gen 2's got your back. And yep, it doubles as a full-on Bluetooth speaker. This isn't just a TV, it's your personal assistant, entertainment hub, and productivity partner rolled, literally, into one. Ready to ditch the old-school screen life? Hit play now and see why this is a total vibe shift. Thousands of people are already swapping their clunky home setups for this all-in-one portable TV, and trust us, stock won't last. So, why wait? Click the link, grab your ApoloSign 32-inch Gen 2 today, and join the future of smart living. No wires, no limits, no more wasted time. With this powerhouse on wheels, you're finally free to work, stream, and play wherever and however you want. Don't get left stuck with yesterday's tech. Move smarter. Live better. Own your screen. Order now, before someone else does.